Dashboard warning lights are your vehicle's way of communicating critical problems. While many lights can wait for your next service appointment, three specific warning lights require you to stop driving immediately to prevent catastrophic damage or safety hazards. The first critical warning is the engine oil pressure light, shown as a red oil can symbol. This light monitors oil pressure in your engine's lubrication system. When oil pressure drops below safe levels, metal components can seize within just 2 to 5 minutes, causing complete engine failure. The second critical warning is the engine temperature light, displayed as a thermometer symbol or the word temp. This indicates your engine coolant temperature has exceeded safe operating limits. Overheating can warp cylinder heads, blow head gaskets, or crack the engine block within minutes of continued operation. The third critical warning is the brake system light, shown as the word brake or a circle with an exclamation point. This indicates a critical brake system malfunction, low brake fluid, or other brake-related issues. Unlike the other warnings that threaten your engine, brake system failures pose immediate safety risks to you and other drivers on the road. These three warning lights represent the most critical alerts your vehicle can give you. Ignoring any of these warnings can result in thousands of dollars in repairs, complete vehicle breakdown, or serious safety hazards. When you see any of these lights, your immediate priority should be getting to safety and turning off your engine. When critical dashboard warning lights activate, immediate action is essential to prevent damage and ensure safety. Here's exactly what to do for each warning type. If the oil pressure warning light comes on, pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Every second counts. Continuing to drive can cause permanent engine damage within minutes. Use the dipstick to check your oil level. If it's low, you may be able to add oil temporarily, but never restart the engine if the level is critically low. For engine temperature warnings, the response is similar but with additional cooling considerations. Pull over immediately and turn off the engine to prevent overheating damage. Check the coolant level in the overflow reservoir, never the radiator cap when hot. Look for steam, leaks, or damaged hoses in the engine bay. The brake system warning requires immediate testing. While driving slowly, test your brake pedal feel. If it feels spongy or goes to the floor, this is a critical emergency. Spongy brakes indicate a serious problem. Use the emergency brake gradually to stop safely and call for immediate assistance. Prevention through regular maintenance is the best strategy. Following proper maintenance schedules can prevent most critical warning light situations. Regular maintenance schedules vary by vehicle and driving conditions. Consult your owner's manual for specific intervals and always address warning signs early. Modern vehicles increasingly feature predictive maintenance systems that can warn you before critical failures occur, helping prevent emergency situations. These systems can automatically contact roadside assistance and provide your location when critical warnings activate, making emergency response faster and more effective.